Hello my dear children, now we can study subtraction. What is subtraction? We have to take away some numbers from other numbers or from the same number itself. How can we subtract? Now 8 minus 5. Actually what is its meaning? Think that here we can think about 8 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then from there we have take away 5 pencils. So we can cut that 5 pencils from this 8 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remaining number, how many pencils are here? We know here 3 pencils are there. So we can say 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Actually this is the subtraction. Then in case of 12 minus 9, how can we do? That is, think 12 zeros or sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, you would like to give 9 sweets to our friends. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many sweets are there remaining with you? We can say 3 sweets are there remaining with you. So 12 minus 9, we can write it as 3. Actually, this is the subtraction. But this type of drawings are possible in case of smaller numbers. But now we have to study big numbers. Now we can subtract 3-digit numbers. That is 823 subtracted by which number? 212. So, 3 minus 2. First we have to, as in the addition, first we have to do the calculation part from ones place onwards. Here, this is the ones place digits. Okay. Then, 3 minus 2. Then, subtract digit by digit. That is, 3 minus 2. That is 1. 3 is greater than 2. Think like that way. Top number and bottom number. If the top number is greater than the bottom number, it is very easy for us to subtract. That is 3 minus 2. That means 3 minus 2. So we will get 1. Remaining 1. So write it there. Then 2 minus 1. 2 pencils. 1 we have to cut. So remaining 1 is there. Then 8 minus 2. Next 8 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 2. How many are there remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write the answer is 611. Okay. Then if sometimes here 625 minus 506. How can we do this one? Here 5 minus 6. Here think about top number and bottom number. Here 5 is smaller than 6. We have to compare that ones place digits, then tens place digits and so on. Now first step is 5 and 6. 5 minus 6. Is it possible? So at the time we have to cut this 5 and we can write here 15. How this happened? Actually here it is 25. That means 20 and 5. From this 20 we can take 10 and we can write that number here. Now 10 plus 5. Actually this is the process going behind this subtraction. Now 10 plus 5, that is 15. Okay. Now this became 20. From this 20, 25, don't think about these numbers. From this 25, we took that 25, we can write it as 20 and 5. Okay. Then from this 20, we took that 10. Now 10 and 5, we can write it as 15. This 15 is here, remaining 10 will be there. So we can write instead of this 2, 1. Okay. Actually 10 is there. This 10 we will add with this. Some process will be there. Now you think like this way only. Then this number was 6 and 5 now. So 15 minus 6, that is 9. From 15, we have to take away 6. So 9 plus 6 equal to 15. Okay. Then 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. Here it is not 2. This 2 became 1 because we borrowed 1 from this 2 and we took here. Sorry, we wrote it there. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 itself. Then 8 minus 0, 8 itself. Then 9 minus 0, 9 is the answer. Okay. Then if we are subtracting, if we are take away this 0 from any number, that number itself will be the answer. Then next 6 minus 5, 1. So the answer is 119. If you have any doubt, we can check that answer is correct or wrong. How can we check that? We have to add these two numbers and we can check. Then which numbers? Here 506 and our answer, that is 119. We can add these two. So at the time 6 plus 9, 15. 1 will be there. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 1, 6. So we got 625. So our answer is correct. Okay. Now another question. 728 minus 537. First 8 and 5. 8 minus 5. Sorry, 8 minus 7, not 5. 8 minus 7. Here 8 and 7. We have to compare 8 and 7. Here 7 is smaller than 8. So we can subtract that. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Okay, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So that 1 will be here. Okay. Then 2 minus 3. Is it possible? No. What can we do? We have to cut this 2 and we can write here 12. And we can cut at the same time itself. Cut previous number. Here it is 7. That 7 became 6. Okay. Now 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So 12 minus 3 will be 9. Then 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, so the answer is 191. Okay, next we can write another number. 537 minus 278. So compare this one's place digits. Here it is 7 and 8. What can we do? Here 7 is smaller than 8. So the first step is, if the top number is smaller than the bottom number, at the same time please cut this top number. Now it is 7. Then we have to write that 17 and this 3 became 2. Okay. Then 17 minus 8, that is equal to 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Okay. Then 2 minus 7. Here tens place digits. Okay. Here 2 and 7. We have to take away 2 from 7 from 2. We have to take away 7 from 2. So at the time, here 2 is smaller than 7. So what can we do? We have to cut this 5 and we can write here 4 and this 2 will be 12. Okay. Then 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Then 4 plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 itself. Then we can check that the answer is correct or wrong. Then how can we? We have to add these answers. That is 278 plus 259. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 1 will be there. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Then 1 will be there. Then 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5. 537. We got this answer 537. So this answer is correct. Okay. Next question. 497 minus 388. How can we do? Here 7 and 8. 7 is smaller than 8. So what can we do? We can cut this 7. We can write there 17. At the same time, we have to cut this 9 and this 9 will be 8. Okay. Now 17 minus 8. What is the answer? That is 9. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Then 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. That means, what is its meaning? Here, 4 pencils are there. We have to take away 4 pencils itself. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pencils are there remaining? There is no pencil. So we can say the answer will be 0. Okay. Then 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. If we are subtracting two same numbers, the answer will be 0. Then 4 minus 3, 1. So the answer is 109. Okay. Then another question. 921 minus 737. How can we do? Here we have to cut this one. This one will be 11. Why? Because if we are subtracting 7 from 1, so the top number is smaller than this bottom number. So we have to cut this 1 and we can write it as 11 and this 2 became 1. Okay. Now 11 minus 7. 7 plus a number is equal to 11. Which number will be there? 7 plus 4 is equal to 9. That 4 will be there. Okay. Then 1 minus 3, is it possible? Yeah, because it is not possible, because here 1 is smaller than 3. So we can write this 1 as 11. Then at the time this 9 will be 8. Okay. Now 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 and 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So the answer is 184. I think now you got some ideas. Okay, that is how can we subtract? First we have to consider ones place digits, then tens, then hundreds and so on. Then we have to compare ones place digits and tens place digits, then hundreds place digits. Okay, now if the top number is smaller than the bottom number, we can borrow from this previous number. At the time, reduce the previous number and subtract them. Okay. I think now you can do some works. Thank you.